The 5 worst mistakes that prevent you from losing weight and defining your body after 40. If you are a man over 40, you know that having a defined and muscular body can seem challenging. But in today's video, I'm going to help you achieve the body you've always dreamed of. We're going to talk about the 10 biggest mistakes that prevent you from losing weight and defining your body. Plus, I'll show you more effective ways based on studies and research on how to lose weight and define your body faster. I guarantee mistake number 3 will surprise you because no one talks about it, but it's responsible for you not losing weight and failing to define your body. So stay until the end because you might be making this mistake right now. Be very careful. Number 5. Underestimating the importance of calories consumed. This is one of the most common mistakes among older men trying to lose weight and build a defined body. If you underestimate the number of calories consumed daily, you're making a big mistake in your diet. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that many people underestimate their daily caloric intake by about 40%, meaning they don't pay enough attention to this basic part of the diet. If you are making this mistake, stop right now because it can cause serious problems in your diet, especially in men over 30. The body starts to feel the effects of a slower metabolism, a natural consequence of aging. Metabolism tends to decrease by about 1 to 2% every 10 years after age 30. So by the time you're 50, your body burns far fewer calories to perform the same basic functions it did at 20 or 40. This means you have to work harder to lose weight as you age. Therefore, maintaining or even reducing caloric intake becomes crucial to avoid weight gain and promote fat loss in your body. Additionally, something that few people talk about is that the quality of calories is as important as the quantity. A study conducted by the Harvard School of Public Health highlighted that diets high in ultra-processed foods, like many of the foods we find in the United States, were associated with greater weight gain in men over 30 compared to men who followed diets based on whole foods. Ultra-processed foods tend to be higher in calories and lower in nutrients, which can lead to excessive calorie intake without providing the necessary satiety. In other words, you'll always want to eat more. This creates a vicious cycle of consuming supercaloric foods. You can avoid this mistake by adopting simple strategies like keeping a detailed food journal on the fridge or wall. Keep it in a visible place to remind you of your goals. I always write on mine, "Win another day." You can also use calorie tracking apps like MyFitnessPal or Lose It, which can give you a clearer view of your day and help monitor the nutritional quality of the foods you consume. Always remember to follow a diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins like chicken and salmon, and healthy fats. These foods help define your body and are associated with greater weight loss and the maintenance of a healthy weight, regardless of calorie counting. This is because these foods are more nutritious and generally more filling. Instead of having a burger for lunch, opt for brown rice, chicken or salmon, and a salad. Remember, if you want a super defined body, you need to pay the price for it. Number 4. Ignoring the role of hormones. If you are a man trying to achieve a more defined body, it is essential to understand the role of hormones in your body and how they can impact your muscle gain and definition, as well as affect weight loss. Ignoring the role of hormones is a fatal mistake in your muscle hypertrophy diet, as hormones play a crucial role in regulating metabolism, body composition, and energy during your workouts. Hormonal changes after the age of 30 can significantly impact your ability to lose weight and gain muscle. When you reach 40 years of age, your testosterone levels start to decline. Testosterone is a crucial hormone for maintaining muscle mass and strength. As your testosterone levels decrease, you may begin to lose muscle mass and find it difficult to define and gain muscles as well as gain weight. A study conducted at Harvard Medical School found that reduced testosterone levels can lead to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and reduced motivation and energy throughout the day. In other words, you may start noticing a loss of appetite and a lack of motivation to go to the gym as the years go by. This is largely due to the decline in testosterone in your body. Additionally, the stress hormone, cortisol, can increase with aging. High levels of cortisol can lead to fat accumulation, especially in the abdominal area, where many men struggle to lose belly fat. Therefore, it is necessary to take measures such as intense workouts, a balanced diet, and, in some specific cases, the use of testosterone supplements to avoid losing muscle mass and definition in your body, along with the difficulty of losing weight. Studies have shown that there is a relationship between high cortisol levels and greater retention of visceral fat, which is more resistant to loss and can lead to serious issues like diabetes. So, be very careful. You can avoid this serious mistake by having regular tests to monitor your hormone levels, especially testosterone and cortisol in your body. I always do it every 3 months to closely monitor and adjust my testosterone. I recommend the same for you. Always remember to consult a doctor before using any medication to boost testosterone so they can help improve your levels the right way. Additionally, managing stress daily with activities such as meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises can help reduce cortisol levels, along with a good workout to relax. Studies conducted in the United States have highlighted that effective stress management is essential for maintaining balanced hormone levels and promoting overall body health. Before we move on to number 3, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel by clicking the button below. That way, we can bring you more videos like this. Also, leave a comment telling us which video you would like to see on our channel. Number 3. Skipping meals in an attempt to reduce calories. If you are doing this, stop right now. Skipping meals may seem like an easy way to cut calories and speed up weight loss, but it can cause serious long-term problems. Let me explain why. The idea that fewer meals will lead to lower calorie intake and therefore weight loss is an oversimplification that ignores how the body actually responds to food deprivation and does not consider the dangers of this practice. If you skip a meal, especially breakfast, your metabolism may slow down due to the lack of food needed to function properly. As a result, your body enters a state called energy conservation mode, where it tries to use the least amount of energy possible to burn fewer calories. Studies showed that breakfast is one of the most important meals for kick-starting metabolism after overnight fasting, and skipping this meal can hinder long-term weight loss, potentially leading to binge eating later in the day. In other words, you might end up eating more than you would have if you had eaten regular meals, and consequently, you will want to eat more, even though theoretically, you are eating fewer times a day. In practice, you will be consuming more calories. Additionally, when you are very hungry, you are more likely to make unhealthy food choices and consume more calories than you would have if you had eaten regular healthy meals. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that skipping meals is associated with a higher risk of obesity and long-term weight gain, especially in men over the age of 30. This practice can negatively affect your mood and energy levels throughout the day, making it harder to perform your workouts and other physical activities essential for weight loss and muscle definition. Research shows that a lack of sufficient fuel in the body can lead to muscle fatigue, irritability, and lack of concentration, negatively impacting quality of life. In other words, you will be more irritable and less motivated, and in some cases end up using your muscles for energy, which can lead to muscle loss instead of gain. Therefore, avoid this common mistake of skipping meals and adopt a regular diet with balanced and more frequent meals. This can help keep your metabolism active, prevent hunger spikes, and maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Number 2, not paying attention to food quality. This is a common mistake that I see many of you commenting on in our videos about the amount of calories you should consume. Focusing solely on calorie quantity without considering the quality of the foods can seriously undermine efforts to lose weight and define your body. Let me explain why. Recent research shows that calorie quality is as important as, if not more important than, calorie quantity. You should consume the ideal amount of calories, but also focus on the quality of those calories. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at metabolizing foods, particularly those high in refined sugars and trans and saturated fats, which are commonly found in supermarkets in the United States. Studies show that diets rich in ultra-processed foods are strongly associated with a higher risk of weight gain and metabolic diseases in men over 30, especially those who do not engage in regular physical activity. Remember, a healthy diet combined with regular workouts and balanced diets are the secrets to a healthier life. Achieving a defined body as you age can be more challenging, so it is essential to use the resources available to you for support. Supplements like creatine, beta-alanine, glutamine, whey protein, calcium, and magnesium make a significant difference in your workouts and daily life. Number 1. Focusing too much on cardio and ignoring weight training. If you are making this mistake, stop right now, as it is undermining your entire workout and your muscles. Let me explain why. While cardio is effective for burning calories, it should not be the only type of exercise in your workout plan. Many of you make the mistake of focusing only on cardio, ignoring the importance of weight training, such as exercises for arms, legs, and chest. These exercises are essential for maintaining a healthy and defined body after 40. Performing weight training focused on specific muscle groups is very important. However, remember that cardio should also be part of your routine, but in a balanced manner. Perform strength training at least 3 times a week, including exercises for arms, legs, and chest. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and dumbbell exercises are highly effective for building and maintaining muscle mass after 30 and helping to define your body as you age. Studies show that focusing on multiple muscle groups at once is more effective for maintaining muscle and muscle definition, as these workouts are more efficient and provide a greater caloric expenditure. Before you go, click on the video that is appearing on your screen to continue our discussion. I'll see you there. Thank you.